Rolling, sliding. Introduction. Hello children. Today we are going to learn something very exciting. It's about how different things move. Ramesh, shall we play? Yes, sure. Let us enjoy. Drum is rolling. The box is sliding. You take the tire, it rolls as well. Yes, it rolls. I'm enjoying. When we push some objects, they move in different ways. The drum is rolling because it is round, but the box is sliding because it has flat sides. If the object goes round and round like a ball or drum, it is called rolling. If the object moves straight without turning, like a book or a box, it is called sliding. Activity. Think it over. Mark the object with a tick, which will roll down a slide as a ball. Mark the object with a circle, which will slide down a slide as a book. Objects that are round roll easily. Flat or boxy things usually slide. Activity. Tick under rolling or sliding. Activity. Color the box below the bag, which is easier to move. The bag with wheels is easier to move because it rolls. Some objects can roll and slide as well. What we have learned. Rolling. Objects with round shapes like balls or tires roll. Sliding. Objects with flat surfaces like books or boxes slide. Some objects can both roll and slide, depending on how they are placed.